So I can't believe it's the third year of our Disney readathon. We never actually thought of that we would go through this journey and have a readathon for consecutively 3 years. But we are so happy that you all have supported us and you all wanted to for us to be back. So we are back now with Disney Readathon Year 3. Namaste guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Divya and I make videos book related. So if you are new to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and do like this video if you liked it. So now for those who are new to this readathon, Disney readathon. So the Disney readathon is actually the creator of it was Easy, and she actually asked us other people on Twitter who would want to co-host with her. So we three people, booktubers, volunteered ourselves to be co-host, but due to some reasons, Easy and the other host is not able to continue this from the second year only. So we decided, meaning me, Divya and Ali from Nature of Pages, to continue this, but still the original creator will only be Easy. So every year we choose 4 teams, and just for according to those 4 teams we decide the prompts. All these 4 teams are some movies of Disney. So now for this year we have our 4 teams. First is Pocahontas, then Maleficent, then Alice in the Wonderland, and lastly The Enchanted. The leaders of the teams are the first 2 teams, that are Pocahontas and Maleficent. I am the leader of them, and the last 2 ones, Alice in the Wonderland and The Enchanted, the leader of them is Ali from the Nature of Pages. So now without any further ado, let's get on with the rules first. So I'm going to tell you the basic rules of the readathon, rule of the map and general rules, but for the detailed FAQ please do visit our Twitter handle, the Twitter thread. I'll put in the description box link to it, where we have answered most of the frequently asked questions. Now the first rule is that you must have a fixed TBR unless your special power says so. You can DNF a book, but for the book that you have DNF for your team, you won't be getting any points. You can DNF, swap, double up prompts, do whatever you want for other teams' prompt, but not yours. You need to complete first your team's prompts, then only you can jump further in the map. Before 1st of the August, that's when the readathon is getting started, you must choose your TBR and your team, and lastly follow the map. So now here is the map. As you can see that Pocahontas is the first team. So if you are in the team of Pocahontas, you have to first complete the prompts of Pocahontas, and then you can go to Alice in the Wonderland, and after Alice in the Wonderland, Maleficent, and then Enchanted. So in this series only you have to follow the map. Like if you are from Alice in the Wonderland, first complete your prompts from all the prompts from Alice in the Wonderland unless your special ability says so, and then jump to Maleficent, then Enchanted, and then Pocahontas. Same for Maleficent, first Maleficent, then Enchanted, then Pocahontas, and then Alice in the Wonderland. For Enchanted, that is first Enchanted, then Pocahontas, that's Alice in the Wonderland, and lastly Maleficent. Now there are certain rules for the map also. So you must complete your team prompts in order before traveling into the next Disney world or team or group. You must journey in maps order only. However, you don't need to complete the other team's prompts. You all ask this question frequently, that do we have to have a fixed TBR for other teams other than our team? Like if I am from Pocahontas, do I have to read all the other teams also, or do I have a fixed TBR for other teams also? No, you don't. You only need to have a fixed TBR for your team. It's up to you if you would like to read other teams only. Reading other teams prompts and going through other teams only give you benefit to your team only, that you get extra points. But if you don't want to go through such a hassle and don't want to read so many books, it's up to you, totally up to you. Only your team matters to you. Like if you only want to read the group book of another team, you can. If you only want to read 1 or 2 prompts of some team, you can. But you do have to follow the map unless your special ability says so, if you are willing to read other teams' prompts also. So now I'm not going to explain the prompts or special abilities of Alice in the Wonderland and Enchanted, but here are the prompts for Alice in the Wonderland or Enchanted. If you wish to be part of that team, Ali is going to be explaining about all of those teams in her video. So now here are my teams. So the first I'm going to explain about the prompts and the special ability of Maleficent. So the first prompt for Maleficent is of Aurora. Read a book with a hopelessly romantic female lead. Now, meaning hopelessly romantic, you all know that the female lead in that particular book should be just a romantic by heart, love and love, everywhere is love for them. And you will get 10 points for reading that particular book for this particular prompt. Now the second prompt is for 3 good fairies, and you have to read a book with a musical or music in it. It can be any book. There are so many books out there with the music in it, like the Ghostwood song, Daisy Jones, etc. There are so many books out there. Now the third prompt is King Stefan. For this you have to read a book with the manipulative character as lead. But as I've gone through your Discord chats and other Twitter chats, you all are finding it quite difficult to find a manipulative character as a lead. So I'm going to give you a benefit here, is that it just have to be a manipulative character in a book. If you're not finding it as a lead in that particular book, it's fine. It just have to be a manipulative character. And for this prompt also you will get 10 points. Now for the next prompt, that is for Queen Eula, that you have to read a book with an evil fey queen. Yet again, some are finding it quite difficult to find a book with evil fey queen. It can be a evil fey king, evil fey queen, whatever you find to read, do it. And the points for this prompt is 15. Now the last prompt is Diable, read the group books. Now there is one more thing that I forgot to mention in the FAQs or rules section, is that for this year we have 4 group books. We didn't put a poll like we used to do in the last 2 years, because many people couldn't able to get a hold of the group book or have read that book, sequel of that particular book, and just many other problems. So we have selected this 4 books, like 4 books are there for you to choose from. Which book would you like to read as your group book? It's totally up to you. All of these are optional. You don't have to read all the books. Any one of them will do. And for reading a group book, you will get 20 points. Now comes a special ability for our team, Maleficent. So Maleficent, who is the protector of Moor, an enchanted forest, gives you the power to shuffle through maps without first going to your team. Now this means that in the map after Maleficent comes Enchanted. Now the thing is that you can go to another team first without going to Maleficent. You can follow the map just according to you. It's not according to the map how it is. It will be according to you how you want to follow the map. You can first start with Pocahontas, then you can read Enchanted. It's totally up to you which team you would want to read for. Shuffle through the map. And now the 4 group books for Maleficent is, first one is Spindlefire by Lexa Hillary, Once Upon a Dream by Liza Briswell, Briar Rose by Jane Yolen and Terry Bindling, and the last one is Spinning Thorn by Anne Sheehan. Again, it's totally up to you which book would you like to read as a group book. You are not obliged to read all the 4 group books. And for reading group book, again you will get 20 points. Now the second team that I'm leader of is Pocahontas, and the first prompt is Pocahontas, read a book by a Native American author or a book with Native American author as the main lead. The second prompt is Governor Ratcliffe, and read a book with greedy and obnoxious character. Now the third prompt is John Smith, read a book with male character as an explorer. And now the fourth prompt, that is Chief Powhatan, read a book with a strong and respected warrior in it. And lastly, Miko, read the group book. And the points are just like for the Maleficent, first 3 for 10 points, fourth one 15 points, and the last one, that is group book, for 20 points. Now the special ability for Team Pocahontas is granted by Grandma Willow, the wise and ancient Grandma Willow grants you the power to swap one prompt from your team with another team. That means any one prompt of Pocahontas you can swap with some other team and you will still get the point of whatever prompt you have chosen to swap. And the point you will be getting will be of the point of Pocahontas prompt that you have swapped, not with the team that you have swapped. Like I have swapped for Captain John Smith, that is for 15 points, and I have swapped it with some other 20 points of Maleficent. Then I won't be getting 20 points, I'm only going to get 15 points that is allotted to Captain John Smith prompt. And now the 4 group books for Pocahontas is, first one is Alatos by Darcy Little Bad Girl, second one is There There by Tammy Orange, third one is Betty by Tiffany Mabril, and the fourth one is The Firekeeper's Daughter by Angelique. Again, you don't have to read all the books, just one book. Now this for all the prompts and rules of map or generally of the teams of Readathon. If you have any further questions that you would like to ask, do comment in the comment section, on our Discord general section, or on the Twitter. We are always here to answer your questions. I hope you all join us with this Readathon again this year. We are so excited for it, especially because everyone is so excited and saying that the teams for this year are so good than the last couple of years. So we all hope that you join us and just read. So goodbye till the next video.